सायन्स फिल्म फेस्टिवल ऑफ इंडिया हांगासर एक काही स्टुडंट्सांनी ड्रोन तयार केला. तेच्या कडल्यान जाणून घ्या की तो तेंच्यांनी हो ड्रोन कसो तयार केला तो. सो तुमचें नाव?
My name is Chris Fernandez, Reef Fernandez, Velan D'Souza, Eldrick Godino, and Aaron Fernandez. So this is our team. This drone is designed and developed by us. We are the students of Don Bosco College of Engineering, and this is our drone project. So we are from the mechanical department. So our project guide is Professor Gauri Saman, and our HOD is Ajit Salunke. So I'll tell you about this drone. This drone can lift a liter of 5 liter of pesticides. It is basically, this is carbon fiber. These are aluminum parts. The electronic components are mounted in this. So and the drone can lift approx up to 30 kgs and a flight time of 20 minutes. So what's the specialty of this drone? This drone is specially used to spray on high-rise trees like coconut, areca nuts. Mostly the drones available in market are flatbed, म्हणजे शेताचेर pesticide मारपाचे. So this drone is specially used to design and develop to fly spray on the coconut trees. The design is developed by us. So
कशी आयडिया येयली तुजी?
the idea came out from our guide. He guided us like saying such drones are not available. So we have thought some innovative ideas to build up this drone. So yet now we are still developing this drone. The spraying system, the pumps are yet to be mounted. We have not mounted yet because we are still developing it. That's all.
कितें डिफिकल्टीज तुमकां जाल्यो?
Difficulty is because of the weight, the weight balance was an issue at the start. The landing gear are still mounted because our landing is still rough. It's not smooth landing because of the weight. And when we flying, there's a lot of stability issues. We'll be having the palm leaves of the trees interfering, birds of issues.